Here are the top 10 flooring myths that you'll want to hear before making your next decision. Stick around because the last one is going to surprise you. Myth number 1, hardwood is too high maintenance. People often say hardwood is too high maintenance, but the truth is, with regular sweeping and occasional polish, it can last for decades. Modern finishes also make it much more durable than you would think. Myth number 2, laminate looks cheap. Today's laminate flooring is a whole new game. Thanks to the advanced printing technology, it can mimic hardwood or tiles so well that even experts have trouble telling the difference. Myth number 3, hardwood doesn't work in humid climates. While traditional hardwood may struggle in high humidity, engineered hardwood is designed to handle those conditions without warping or buckling. Before we move on, you may have noticed that we are not in the same studio we were in this video here. That's because we are in the process of a huge transformation that we will release in a few weeks. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss when that comes out. Myth number 4, laminate is slippery and unsafe. Laminate has a reputation for being slippery, but most modern options come with textured finishes that provide better grip, perfect for homes with kids or pets. Myth number 5, laminate and LVP are too noisy. If you're worried about the noise, proper underlayment can significantly reduce the sound of footsteps on laminate and LVP, making them as quiet as hardwood or carpet. Myth number 6, laminate and LVP are the same thing. Laminate and luxury vinyl plank are not the same. Laminate is made of compressed wood, while LVP is PVC, vinyl, or a plastic product. Knowing the difference can help you choose the right one for your needs. Myth number 7, carpet is outdated. Carpet has come a very long way from the shaggy styles of the 70s. Today's carpets are sleek, modern, and available in patterns and textures that fit any design aesthetic. Myth number 8, laminate and LVP are cheap and won't last. Both laminate and LVP are built to last. High quality products often come with warranties of 15 to 25 years and can hold up to heavy traffic just as well as hardwood. Myth number 9, laminate and LVP can't be repaired. While it's true you can't refinish laminate or LVP like hardwood, damaged planks can often be replaced without redoing the entire floor. Myth number 10, hardwood is always better than carpet. Hardwood gets all the hype, but carpet has its own advantages, like comfort, sound, absorption, and affordability. For bedrooms and living room areas, carpet can sometimes be the better choice depending on whether you have young children or if you are on a tighter budget but still want to refresh your home. Don't let these myths steer you in the wrong direction. The key is knowing the facts and choosing the flooring that's right for you and your lifestyle. If you have any questions, leave a comment and subscribe so you don't miss next week's video, where we will share how our client had a huge disaster because they hired the wrong flooring contractor.